Hello and welcome to Crypto Novus News, where we bring you top news stories of the day in the world of crypto. Today is Monday, April 12th, 2020, and today I want to talk about XRP. It has seen some upward movement in price over the last few weeks. Actually, the whole month of April has been very good to XRP. So I wanted to kind of jump into why that might be the case. Take a look at the lawsuit situation and kind of where things stand right now. There's been a small victory as of last week, and then take a look at the XRP price and see what it's done since the beginning of the first of the year. But before I get into that, I want to give a shout to Faith Finance. I'm the executive director of Faith Finance, where our motto is live faithfully today, live abundantly tomorrow. We help people manage their personal finances using biblical principles. And we also have a division for crypto. Novus is the division of Faith Finance. And if you guys have a church group or a family that you would like to present crypto to, I have a small presentation that I've been giving to people, and it has been very successful over the last couple of weeks. And I can be reached at faithfinance.org or my email at chrisb@faithfinance.org as well. So back to Ripple, what has essentially happened is in the past week, after granting, let's go through this paragraph, after granting Ripple access in internal SEC communication last week, the judge presiding over it has denied the motion by the SEC to publish financial records linked with Ripple co-founder Chris Larsen and CEO Brad Garlinghouse, who were named as defendants in the case. And this is a small victory for the two of them, because the judge basically maintained that that was private information and obviously wasn't relevant to be publicized. The SEC was obviously wanting to use that public announcement or public disclosure in their favor. For those of you who do not know what the situation is between the SEC and Ripple Labs, basically back in December, the SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple and its executives up towards the tail end of December, which really kind of blindsided them and the crypto world, and it sent the price of XRP down. The Ripple Labs and the SEC has been having this conversation on what should XRP be classified as. So the case right here, the case hinges on the classification of XRP as a security, i.e. a financial asset which the investors tend to profit from, as opposed to a currency or medium of exchange. By failing to follow the securities registration statements, Ripple Labs, from the SEC's point of view, violated Securities Act of 1933. Ripple Labs' position is real simple. They maintain that Ripple maintains that the XRP should be treated in the same fashion as Bitcoin or Ethereum, and that it shouldn't be considered as securities. And so this little victory, if you will, has been very positive for XRP in terms of price. So in the last 7 days, XRP has gained considerably and has gained, it says, has for biggest gain since 2017. So if we take a kind of a closer look at what's happened here, and we'll take a real close look at the price, but XRP is up 118% in the last 7 days since April 11th, according to TradingView and Bitstamp Exchange. The biggest gain. This has been the biggest gain since 2017, when the token jumped 215% in a 7-day period. So this is really significant. And when we take a look at the TradingView chart, you'll begin to see that this is quite a big, huge jump, and it's put XRP in a very strong position in terms of market cap ranked in comparison to the others. So let's kind of bounce over to the price chart right now. And this is the daily, and we're taking a look at price chart, and then we also have the RSI. So at the beginning of the year, XRP right here was this downward trend. It was before the SEC filing. XRP was sitting at around 59 cents, and it dropped all the way down to 23 cents after the SEC filing. So at the first of the year, basically was sitting around 23 cents, and it kind of spiked up a little bit, got back up to about 33, but then it came back down to 25 cents, rallied, had this willow wick up here to about 73 cents, then it came right back down. So it was really kind of a roller coaster ride. and it was residing pretty much underneath, for the most part, under the 20 EMA. I mean, here it was above in the month of February, above the 20 EMA, but then it came back down in March. So here we are in April. It was only at the start of April, it was only at 56 cents. And so I'm going to change this to the 4-hour chart because it's a little bit better view. And we can see it started at 56, and there was 2 rallies in April. So it was just kind of hovering just a bit above around 60 cents around April 4th. And then basically from April 4th to April 6th, it shot up from about 60 cents and it spiked up over $1. It retraced back a little bit, back down to about 93 cents on the 7th, kind of almost regained its level at around $1. And then boom, it hit, around the 9th and 10th, it shot up all the way up to $1.47. Retraced a little bit, and then it's back up at $1.47 right now. So that's where the 118% increases come from. I've got the Fibonacci retracement chart there, and so it may come back down. I mean, the 20 EMA is sitting at the Fibonacci level at the 0.236. So I could easily see it retracing back to this level. In fact, I think it probably should get some support on the 20 EMA before it continues going up. The RSI down here shows it where it's sitting at right now at 81.44. It has been as high as 93. It looks like it's trying to go on the way back up, but it'll end up coming back down for sure at some point in time. So that's why I'm thinking that it'll come back and try to hit on the 20 EMA, which may put it back at the RSI at around 70. So XRP has really had a really good run here in the month of April. If we go to coin market cap, it's ranked at number 4 right now. And if we take a look at market dominance, right now, Bitcoin is only at 54%, 54, almost 55% market dominance. Ethereum is at 12. XRP is at 2.98, almost 3%. It's really competing strongly with Binance Coin at 3.93. If we look back at the first of the year, which is right around here, Bitcoin was at almost 70% dominance. Ethereum was still at 12, but XRP was only at just a little over 1%. It's almost 3 right now with this recent surge. It has put it at almost 3 times its beginning year level in terms of market dominance. So even with the SEC problems, XRP is a strong contender and a coin to watch, even in spite of the SEC issues. So I just kind of wanted to do this. This actually video went a little bit longer than I thought it was going to go, but I think this is an important coin. I personally believe in XRP. XRP's market share is not just the United States. Most of XRP's clientele are more global and in other countries where the SEC does not have dominance or jurisdiction over. So for those of you who support XRP, don't lose heart at this point in time. For those of you who are not aware of XRP, I think it is worth you taking a look at and watching, because I foresee XRP in this bull run getting back up to its all-time high of above $3, and it could easily exceed that. So that's all for tonight. I wish you guys the best and look forward to seeing you in the next video.